A surprise announcement from Airfix is the new Mk.VIII Spitfire in 1/24th scale. I've got more details right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am looking at the new 1/24th scale Spitfire Mk.VIII from Airfix. I'll look at what's different to the Mk.IX from 2022, and I'll be revealing all of the schemes that will be available. Now, if you like the video, please do remember, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, doesn't cost anything, you'll get notified of all my future content, and of course, please remember to give it the old Imperial thumbs up on the like button below. So the Mk.VIII Spitfire was on the cards when we were shown the original Mk.IX frames 2 years ago. The way the rear wheel bay was a separate part suggested the later version with a retractable tailwheel. But if you look at what's different, there's a more substantial change to the tooling evident. According to Airfix, there are 19 more parts than in the Mk.IX for a total of 452. Of course, as before, lots of things are things like guns and the engine, which you may not want to display. The main changes are completely new upper and lower wings. These are to accommodate the shorter span ailerons of the Mk.VIII. There is the retractable tailwheel, I mentioned before, and there's a revised instrument panel. This now includes an undercarriage master switch, ignition switches, tailwheel position indicator, so whether it's retracted or not, a cylinder priming pump, fuel pressure warning light, oil temperature gauge, and what I assume they mean is a voltmeter. What is still not addressed is the flap selection lever at top left. This is moulded in the up position, so if you have the flaps deployed, you might want to scratch build the switch down if absolute accuracy is your thing. Then there are 3 schemes provided for this kit. The first is Scheme A, used on the box art. An aircraft flown by Squadron Leader Bruce Watson of 457 Grey Nurse Squadron, Royal Australian Air Force in 1945. Great to see an Aussie scheme as the lead. Scheme B is an aircraft of 152 Hyderabad Squadron, Royal Air Force in Burma in 1945. And finally, Scheme C is an aircraft of the 307th Fighter Squadron, United States Army Air Force in Italy in 1945. The kit is available for pre-order for the moment as a bundle with an Airfix collector's coin. If you fancy one, do please remember to go to the online store through my affiliate link in the information box below. Best of all, the kit is being made right here in the UK at Plastech, the same people who made the Mk.IX, so you know the moulding is going to be exceptionally good. That's it. As soon as I have an idea of delivery dates, I'll let you know, and of course, I'll be getting one for myself to build on the channel. Now, if you've liked this brief update, do please remember, support the channel by subscribing. Doesn't cost you anything. Hit the bell and you'll be notified of all my future content. And of course, anything you see on my channel you like, please give it the old Imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you on the channel very soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.